affectionate hello to all of you. I'm thankful to Professor Sharma, Shri S.K. Jain ji, Pradeep Jain ji, and Saurabh Jain ji for inviting me here to share this morning with this wonderful crowd, wonderful students, and enlighten me about the past session's activities. First of all, let me congratulate all those people who have made a mark in taking forward the concept of knowledge, taking forward the concept of learning, and taking forward the concept of service. India today needs people and intellectuals who can really contribute to the growth of the country, who can really create benchmarks for others to follow, and who can really make the difference between a nation that is struggling to make its presence felt in the globe and a nation which can be formed and continued as the knowledge hub of the world. There's not much of a difference between the winners and those who are left behind. The only difference is that those who want, they can strive to make mark, and those who lack that courage, those who lack that spirit, those who lack that determination, those who lack that achievement orientation, they are the ones who do not win. This suggestion to my young friends is that you must dream big, act big, and think big, because only by that you can achieve something big, you can achieve something unique, you can achieve something different. Your university, Mahamaya Technical University, is trying to bring forth various initiatives, and we expect that that kind of interaction will make this university unique in various ways. We have initiated what's known as Center for Professional Counseling, and the idea is to make sure that we achieve the mission that we have sought for ourselves. And that CPC is going to provide the kind of guidance, the kind of strength, and the kind of interaction between the students and the companies, so that the companies learn about the strength and the unique quality of our students, so that they can be absorbed and they can create themselves certain entrepreneurial new ventures which will be leading and contributing to growth of employment, growth of new products, and growth of new ideas. So it will be a center where people will be brought in contact with new projects, new ideas, and will be allowed to create those particular things into flowering experience. Secondly, we are trying to see that those students who want to go abroad, or those students who want to go to higher learning, we will be able to provide them the kind of hand-holding, the kind of initiative, the kind of guidance, the kind of mentoring that will make that possible. So those who need it, we will be there to do that for them. We have also entered into an understanding with Indo-US Consortium for Engineering Education, a pan-US initiative wherefrom certain webinars will be beamed into our campuses, so that students can learn from the teachers in those universities in US directly, and can create an environment of positive learning, state-of-art knowledge, and get a certificate that they have attended this course and they have done with that. These kind of courses, these kind of initiatives will make us go into a state where we'll be able to have the capability to get accredited internationally, and those international accreditations will make that the students can have global employment, and more than global employment, they can be recognized as global engineers, global people who can be creative, innovative, and contribute to the growth of the world and growth of humanity all over. Finally, there will be certain particular initiatives where we'll be trying to talk in terms of creating final year students projects, MTech projects, and even PhD guidances from people who will be co-guides from universities abroad, whether they are in Europe, whether they are in US, or whether they are in any part of the other globe. Japan, Australia, and other particular initiatives are there. So we are laying down a palette of initiatives. It's up to you to make use of them. It's up to you to make those as your own and get behind those particular initiatives and make them successful, make them viable, and take advantage of those particular initiatives. Your life is not only your life, it's going to change the way India works, the way India grows, the way India's last person will be able to make his meals together. We do not have to work for ourselves alone. We have to work for everybody, not only in India, but globally. Your demand, your vision, your action, your learning, your skills should be internationally competitive, so that it's not that you are only capable of getting a job in India, but you are capable of being useful to the whole humanity, whole world. And that is the capability we want to bring in your curricula. That is the capability we want to bring in your studies. That is the capability we want to open up as definite initiatives for tomorrow and for all of you. I once again thank the campus authorities and the management of Vidya Knowledge Park for inviting me here, for wishing you all the best, and I am sure that the kind of initiatives that have been taken, whether it is from a early childhood school to the best in higher education, it will make pathways for knowledge development, it will make pathways for creating intellectuals, academicians, teachers, and most important of all, best human beings. God be with you. Thank you. God bless you.
Swag it loud. We need all the bad ladies to the floor.
Everybody come on, let's do baila. 3, 2, 1. Everybody come on, let's do baila.
বাবু একলা চলো রে।
তুমি এখানে আছো?
তুমি এসেছো?
সব সময় আমি লিখি, তুমি কেন লেখো না? अरे नवीन अनामिका, यहाँ पे भी लड़ाई, कभी सुधरोगे भी या नहीं?
Oh sorry ma'am, we'll just start the show. पढ़वा दी ना डांट।
Don't you dare blame, you're never on time.
Okay, don't start it again. Let's begin.
Okay.
अच्छा, before we start, how was my song?
You know you should be on TV.
Hey, am I that? पापा कहते थे बड़ा नाम करेगा, बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करेगा। भेजा ना ठोकरे और लाए अपन, पंगा नहीं करना, दंगा नहीं करना, कर दूंगा मैं वरना तेरी टाई टाई फिस, तेरी टाई टाई फिस, तेरी टाई टाई फिस, तेरी टाई टाई फिस, 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 फिस। मच नहीं करने का
जाना ढूंढे तुझे दीवाना, सपनों में रोज आए, आ जिंदगी में आना। हाँ यही रास्ता है तेरा, तूने अब जाना है। हाँ यही सपना है तेरा, तूने पहचाना है। कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार, करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं। तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले, आशाएं ले उम्मीदें हंसे मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी। Let's party, let's party, party, let's party, let's party, party, let's party, let's party. लड़कों की उंगली पे नाचे है ज़माना, लड़कों की उंगली पे नाचे है ज़माना। सिंपल ये फंडा है कुड़ियों को बताना, लुटे नहीं लुट जाए, जीते नहीं छुट जाए, कुड़ियाँ है जेबों में रख ले, कुड़ियाँ नु ढक ले, ढक ले, कुड़ियाँ नु ढक ले, ढक ले, कुड़ियाँ नु ढक ले, ढक ले, ढक ले, ढक ले, ढक ले, कुड़ियाँ नु ढक ले, ढक ले, कुड़ियाँ नु ढक ले। Everybody's looking for a happy ending, happy ending, happy.
नींद का सौदा करें, एक ख्वाब दें, एक ख्वाब लें,
होठ से हल्के हल्के बोल
दो लफ्ज़ से एक बात की,
वो एक दिन 100 साल की वो रात थी।
कैसा लगे जो चुपचाप दोनों हो पल पल में पूरी सदियां बिता दें।
होठ से हल्के हल्के बोलना हल्के हल्के,
होठ से हल्के हल्के बोल हल्के, बोल हल्के हल्के, बोल हल्के हल्के, होठ से हल्के हल्के बोल हल्के।
थैंक यू।
थैंक यू।
The Miss World 2000.
Next in the line is Honey, dressed up as Aryan Red, who was Mr. India in 2000.
Next on the floor to rock you all is Sona Mathuria, dressed as the first female Indian rapper and hip hop singer hardcore.
Next is a male dressed up as Muzammil Ibrahim, winner of Glam Rock Manhunt in 2003.
Coming up now on the floor is Aishwarya Vashis, representing the royal look of Queen Elizabeth. She had a great sense of dressing in elegant royals.
Next to follow is Oris, dressed up as
Actually in the attire of Bengali girl, model turned actress Bipasha Basu.
next.
Now on the floor is Megha Verma, dressed gorgeously as a role model says,
DJ, 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 DJ. Kiran, 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 Kiran.
Next is Pratik, dressed up as Merlin Manson, an American musician known for his controversial stage persona and image.
next on the floor to dazzle you is Deepti Singh. Dressed as Deepika Padukone, born to a badminton champion, she shows the glamour way in the heart of a Desi boy.
Next to follow is Somesh, dressed up as Amir Khan, known as Mr. Perfectionist of the industry.
Coming up on the floor now is Akriti Singhal, Miss Zero Figure, draped as Kareena Kapoor.
Next to Pat is Abhinav Chipper, dressed up as Arjun Ramkam, an active exercise and a model by heart.
Last on the floor
DJ,
to blow your minds away is Varsha Verma, dressed as a fashion icon Priyanka Chopra, the Miss World 2000.
Hey, 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 hey.